Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Toyota Avalon XSE Hybrid. So, under the hood is a 2.5 liter inline 4, non-turbo I do believe, with the electric hybrid batteries and motors and such. So it has a nice blacked out appearance. Looks really, really good. Love the looks of these things. So it's rocking some winter tires, which is perfect for the season as it's actually currently snowing. Nice suede with leather inside. Great amount of room in the back seat. Never opened the hood on one of these, so let's see if I can get it. There we go. Nice and warm. With the hybrid, you get nice blue accents all throughout the car too. Just really helps set the looks off. All the materials, very, very nice to the touch. Nice sunroof. Sliding visor. A couple different modes. Eco, normal, and sport. We'll be in sport. I do like the blue power button. You'll get that in all Toyota hybrids. Steering is really nice and tight too, especially in sport mode. Even on these winter tires, tons of mechanical grip. And then tons of oomph. Can actually go ahead, put it into eco mode. That's gonna try to use the electric motor a little bit more. Now we're in full EV mode. This isn't the first Toyota hybrid I've driven. I also tried out the Highlander. Definitely liked that. Once you start pushing the accelerator a little bit too much, it will deactivate EV mode just to give you the power you're needing. In eco mode, throttle is a lot less touchy. It's definitely tuned for making your inputs as smooth as possible in order to help save save some fuel. Do believe it is a CVT unit underneath, but you do have manual mode, so if you're coming down a big hill and you want to use some engine braking, it will allow for that. I do love the interior as well. Everything's very, very comfortable. Of course, with the Avalon being the luxury sedan, full-size sedan for Toyota. And this is pretty much top of the line. I think you can get full XSE with V6. I'm not sure if you can get a V6 hybrid, but this one's pretty well optioned out. Probably stickered close to $50,000 when new. This one's part of our used inventory with 8,700 miles on it. I probably should say 8,800 because it's 8,793. We got some snow yesterday, but it melted all right away. One of these days when there's some snow on the ground, I might try out some of my favorite models in the snow, especially now with this new test drive route. I'm not taking the cars too far off property anymore just because liability and stuff like that. Unless I want to buy it, then I can take an extended test drive. But honestly, I like this route a little bit more. It just helps to prevent anything from happening again. Here we can try the hill start assist. Foot on the brake. It will hold you. And then you're good to go. Let's try the turning circle. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.